how to download and install Wattpad. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Wattpad app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Wattpad and search for it. Select the first search result for Wattpad. Tap on the install button. The Wattpad app will now begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the Wattpad app. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to start using the Wattpad app. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install Wattpad on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.